system within your existing operating system using a virtual machine. The concept of virtual machine is that you can have multiple machines in your just one machine. So that machine will be virtual. It will not be physically there, and it's quite easy to use. So without hustling with the data, without formatting, without having another logical drive for your operating systems, you can have multiple operating systems in just one drive, and it's quite easy to use. You may need some Linux operating system for making assignments, or just for fun, or just you may just want to become familiar with the Linux environment. So this will help you, and this will assure you that you will not lose any existing data on your computer. So we'll be needing two softwares, and the one is VirtualBox from Oracle, which is a virtual machine, and the other one is the operating system which I want to install on my computer. So in this case, I'll be installing Ubuntu 9.04. Ubuntu 9.04 is quite light in terms of both the resources of memory as well as hard disk. So it's lightweight, and it can easily manage everything on our computer. You can download it from the site. I'll put link in the description behind, and also the link of the VirtualBox. I've already downloaded both of these softwares, so I do not need to download them again. So after downloading, just head the VirtualBox icon. Next, install. Now, why do I prefer Oracle virtual machine? Because it's really configurable as compared to the Microsoft ones, and it's really easy to use. So you don't need to be a geek to install this software. You can easily install it all by yourself. Now, what is the benefit of virtual machine? It is that most of us are not familiar with the Linux environment, and it really hesitates anyone who just jumps for Windows environment, who is used to Windows environment, and tries to do work in Linux. So in virtual machine, you can run both of your operating systems at once. So it do not annoys as much as the solely Linux environment does. So it is installed. Virtual machine is installed in our computer. Now so it's installed. Now run this. It's really easy. Now new machine, next operating system. We do not need to have a Windows XP as it's already installed, so we choose Linux and Ubuntu, and name I type my Ubuntu. Next choose the memory, and make sure that your PC, I recommend that your PC should have more than 756 MB or more than a gigabyte of memory, because if you have more than gigabyte of memory, then your computer will not slows down and you can use both the operating systems at one time. So in my case I'm having much memory, so let's choose 512 megabyte. Next, and create a new hard disk. It is going to be a virtual hard disk, so next, fix and storage. Next. Now you need to make sure that the drive the virtual drive you're going to have should be in a drive with more than this amount of memory, 8 gigabyte in this, in my case. So I install and development. So 8 gigabyte is more than enough because it will just require 2 gigabytes or so. Ubuntu 9.04. Next. It will take some time. So I've successfully created a new virtual disk for my virtual machine. Now let's hit finish. Now here comes my virtual machine. Name, operating system, and you can easily change everything from this. It's very configurable and let it make it very robust. I've got a 3D card, so you can easily make it to 64 megabyte. Now this start is equivalent to start your very own computer, just hitting your power button. Okay, next host drive is H, but for the first time we do not need to boot up from our host drive because there is no operating system installed on our virtual computer. So for the first time we'll install the operating system into it. Ubuntu 9.04. This is the place where I have downloaded it. Open. Select the English, which is default language. Install Ubuntu. You can also use the try Ubuntu feature, but the loss is this, that you cannot store anything into it. If you download anything or make changes, they'll not gonna store on your hard disk. So second option, install Ubuntu.